Yeah, me and you.
Again, in the wrong way.
Yes, I like you.
That was master.
But go back now.
I went on in there, yeah. I don't know.
Don't be raw. I'm a live video.
Who's raw?
No.
I said you were so raw. Come on. Jeez. Hello. How you guys doing? Good morning. See my skin. Looking beautiful. Day 2 on Destiny's location. Day 2.
You have a day.
You have a day. Good on Musalele. Hey guys, how you guys doing? You good? Everything great? I'm in location. I just want to inform you guys that Odragbon season 5 and 6 has just been uploaded. Go right there and watch it out. Odragbon season 5 and 6. You too fine there. I know. What are you saying? Hello. I don't get it. What do you mean? Come and say hello to this blackest mind in the industry. The black man in the industry. That clean your mouth. Clean your mouth. Are you not a celebrity? Hey. That is it.
Hey, what's your way?
Bros, though.
Don't be broke.
Don't make people now.
See the
wait there, man. I don't say anybody.
See, I for 47 people.
I know they carry go.
But they see you now. They say hello.
Bros, though. The
people.
Hey,
God, this man is so local.
Jeez.
See where I be. See where they glow where you did. See
Jimmy. Don't worry, you have a
clean. See skin now.
You have a clean up your
See skin. No.
Go and you clean up.
See skin. No. I never marry.
Bros,
I am with where bros do.
Okay, get
see skin. No. See. Say hello to your fans. There are 63 people watching you now.
Hey.
Say, brother, good morning. Talk.
Oh God. Now drink beer.
See that will drink beer. They're cute people. They'll drink beer.
You can't come over boy the romantic but no the way to bata. We were both coming and keep me out on.
Oh! Ah, boy. Let's go and do. Oh, so fortunate. Mother, you not get. That time that you are pure. Yes, now. Yes, now. Oh God. You don't enter that one.
You don't come up.
You don't come over your brain.
Our brainless now.
Yeah, brainless. That really your thing, your breast is strong. Your nipple is strong. Ah. No, you don't come for jack. Hey.
So how much where are you camera? One of my camera here. One look at your block. What?
And I was up.
What you getting me? Opa. Only I had your power. So what's the matter with the Opa?
Yo guys, how you was doing? We have a lot of people here. So I just want to inform you guys that Oduagbon season 5 and 6 is out. It's on my YouTube channel, First Spring Officials, and the link is on top of this video. Just click it, it will take you right there. We're on set. My daddy. I'm here with Santos.
You forgot to do it.
Abi, what to do? We still need the makeup.
I'm not slapping. Why punish you? You're mad. What do you worry? Make sure you're there.
Yeah, I'll kill you. Make sure I'm not kill my chair. Oh, all right.
I will.
Hello, you know they. You know they. That's what Gbina. Celebrity head of the Gbina. Come on, flight.
Go fast, that guy doesn't call me.
Mommy, welcome. Come and say hello.
Hello, guys.
Say Lamogu. Lamogu. Mommy say Lamogu. Mommy Lamogu. Mommy say good morning to you all.
Vigilante.
Like people, let me they greet you. When Lamogu mommy, me they greet you. Say Lamogu. No. I like video. My mom is a good cook and I'm a good cook too. Right there, I bet you massage my leg. I don't understand. You see my. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! See my slippers dirty. You never even wash out this morning, Ella. See, Friday slap me. I'm not calling Miss Jill. Put up with J. See Friday. Now see Friday slap me. See me for slap me for my leg. This is my beautiful leg. See. You're more color. See, Brad Destiny. Ross. Okay, sorry. Please rush me. I'm leaving by 4. See, if you rush me, I'll get belly. I got belly now. I'm more like ya. Ya belly muri yeme. It was my rocky life. Now, belly, where do we have? I'm going to be happy. Call me. Say, when I say the newest married man in our industry.
How are you people? God bless you. Thank you for spraying me the money. God bless you.
The boy when married last 2 weeks. Yeah.
Now I'll do well for my
don't start work. We not go on honeymoon.
Which honeymoon for this country? No honeymoon. No honeymoon. Need do, sir.
Can you imagine? What honeymoon? Where is our boys? Eh, oh, you know that first year like marriage. But that's the thing. As I was saying, I'm very serious. So please free me by 4 years. I guess event where they go. Thank you, sir. God bless you. All right, guys, rush to First Spring Officials and watch my latest movie, Oduagbon season 5 and 6 is uploaded. It's there. And we are here doing movies as well. I already have a PA ready.
What you say?
Take, go find where I clean this shoe, too dirty. Give me your me and put for leg. Let me find where clean that let's get it.
I know. Okay, because of that, okay, can't tell you go like that. I want to every motor I keep it. Oh, I keep on in now.
5 and 6. No, I want to share that for you now. Oh, I never give you 5 and 6. Okay, I'll share that for you. Yes. So as I'm saying, season 5 and 6 is out and it's playing right now on First Spring official TV. My phone. On First Spring official TV. Go and watch, share it, and subscribe. First 5 people that watched and comment are getting a gift on my birthday. No joke. I'm set. Oh, right. Guys, work o'clock. I need to start to work, but Ella, they get all the day for now. You have lessons. Scarf. Money scarf here. I don't carry corn. Oh, where my bag? Where my luggage? Oh, I don't want to float there now. Call open now. Open up me, see what I put scarf. Let me arrange myself. Mommy, oh, come me arrange it. If you need my number, write me on inbox and tell me the reason why you need my number, bro. Put that one. If you need my number, write me on my inbox. Tell me the reason why you need my number, bro, and I will give you my number. Thank you. No scar. Better do my clothes. Madam, fast me, call all this one for me. No, I post me the ass. Sergeant, now let me come here today. Wait. Eh? That's the only one you want to use. Yeah, sounds out there now. 1 o'clock, we are going to work. Tell me now, what am I doing? What am I playing? Oh, okay, that part. But what about the part I was supposed to be by myself and be praying? I ain't doing that.
Where your
my PA? She dey clean my shoe. She dey come. Let me call her. Call my girl. My PA. Ella baby. Call Ella baby. I'm going to say you don't carry lights, so we just run that to the siren. Just left it. Eh? Destiny. Don't have a this panel. It's bright, not that. Maybe that bus get yours. Where is the bros that owns the apartment? The bros that owns the apartment. Huh? I want to use your parlor. I beg, thank you. Check out when I'm going to store. Oh, Pastor.
Eh?
You don't have what?
Well, yeah. You know.
Yes, sir. I'm already time I know that. Wow. I've turned to Christian girl. I'm not a Christian girl. Not a Christian girl. Oduagbon season 5 and 6 is out. Ella, can you get your black ass here, please? Thank you. Oh my gosh. I'll be saying it now. I don't need to even. Oh. For that side. Bookie. Why not invite? If I don't invite Bookie, I'm not going to invite. Am I mad? You are specially invited. In fact, all my fans that are around, you are specially invited. Come and enjoy with me. Come and enjoy with me. See skin, skin no full, no put body at all. We are. Hello. Okay, I'm playing a working and I'm all cleaner. I give me has to be well, all cleaner. All right, then take my bag. Yeah, say go drop your own. Say you did this thing. Find something to cover body or wear my shirt. Wear that my gown. That has stripe, that black gown, because you are playing a Christian sister. Be fast. Look at hands was war. What did you wear? So they okay? Okay. No wahala. So I'm playing the character of what if you I don't even get name for this meal. IK's wife. I had the child. No, rather I have kids. My husband was abroad. So
no one battle with darkness now.
Spiritual problem with my husband abroad. I cry. What about my children? What are those kids? What are those kids? What are those children? My children. Yes, sir. Again, Ella play my child. That you don't hold my phone. You will go to hold my phone. I beg now. No. I'm Yola like this as the director. Please now, director. Director when I give phone. Yeah. You are drama. So that you are drama. Well, don't fall. I'm not far. But you don't send invitation card, sha. Yeah, I want to send down. Go, I bet leave me at the verse for you, Kenneth. Just leave me. Oh. If you like to act movie, you need to register with Ian. Hey, bro. Now you with me? My baby, yes, sir. Brother, come. You all remove the necklace with your neck, though. We don't get money. You don't carry gold for neck. Yes, sir. See my children. You see my children. Say hello, Saga. I will pay right back.
Okay, go. Let's get last. Just on action, people are playing already. Lord, just pray that every injustice, no more.
Work back. Any Jesus. Amen. Like found with the room. They all for themselves. Any Jesus. Amen. Oh yakabash. Rendere baba. Marazanda. Bro, you hold this phone.
No, you should have come like that.
Nah, don't wear shoe. I'm going to oh, wear shoe. Can I be coming once a year? So I'll teach you how to act. It's not easy now. No, I do online class though. Online class. You can join my online class. A pastor that go and pray. Is that a pastor? Go and get on that profession.
Ross, show now.
Okay, now start so. Yes, sir. Now then. Yes, sir. Ofe was say. Who will the power mudia?
Stay.
I want to see you. I want to
Can we go? But I just to stand. No, not pray.
Not put it in your pocket.
I just not pray. I'm not worried. Yeah, you go. Action. Go off like this, man. Do something.
Oh. Do take.
Now tell me say you leave this deal. Oh yeah, let's go. Left down.
I know the enter.
My man, leave the set. They don't go to one. I know just get power. Bros.
Oh yeah, wait me out. Me out.
I want to see that.
I want to go on
that strength for you. That strength. Pastor, we get strength of prayer. No, I want to see that strength in you. Oh man, let's do this thing. I'm over here now. This life now, what you will do? This time, what you know, I know I need to you now. You know that. It's not anything to you. Let's walk. Come on, go us.
At the year
now. Drop the phone. More artist film. Let's walk over here.
Give us the lines.
Go stand. Go pray. Bros, come sit down. Who wants together?
I've got to go. I'll come back.
The family.
Yeah.
The family showed you together. Apart from you. Three of now, join us together.
Oh yeah, man.